In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes to cells Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted to leave quick reminders, context, or lightweight instructions without changing your actual data, notes are perfect. They're simple, unobtrusive, and easy to scan when you or a teammate revisits the sheet. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. On the Google homepage, look to the top right and click the grid icon. This is the Google Apps menu. From that panel, select Sheets to open the Google Sheets homepage. Once you're there, open the spreadsheet you want to work on. You can pick it from your recent files or search for it if you have many documents. Give it a moment to load, and then navigate to the exact cell where you want to add your note. Now, right-click on that cell to open the context menu. In the menu that appears, choose Insert Note. A small text box will pop up, anchored to the cell you selected. This is where you type the helpful detail you want to remember or share. Keep it concise and clear. Think of it as a sticky note for your data. The note saves automatically when you click away, so you don't need to hunt for a save button. After you add a note, you'll notice a small triangle in the top right corner of the cell. That triangle is your visual cue that a note is attached. Hover over the cell to quickly preview the note content without opening any sidebars or menus. It's a fast way to recall why a number changed, what a code stands for, or what action needs to happen next. A quick tip on how notes fit into collaboration. Notes are best for quiet context and reference. They don't notify anyone. If you need a back-and-forth discussion with mentions and email alerts, that's what comments are for. But when you just want a lightweight annotation that travels with the cell, notes are ideal. Another helpful detail. If you move or copy that cell elsewhere in the sheet, the note goes with it. That keeps your context tied to the data, even as you reorganize. And because notes don't appear directly in the grid, they won't clutter your view or formulas. That's all it takes. Open Google, go to Sheets, open your document, right-click the cell, choose Insert Note, and type your message. With these quick steps, you'll keep your spreadsheets clearer, your team informed, and your future self grateful for the extra context.